Hi guys, you missed me? I'm back with my science project. My name is DeBron Gallen. And the first thing I have is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is an object always in motion. So, an object always in motion is, for three examples, you going down a roller coaster, you're going down a slide, or if you're running. That deals with all constant motion. When you're going down a roller coaster, at the top, that has the most potential. When you're going down, you're gaining a lot of kinetic energy. When you come back up, then that's when you lose the kinetic and go into potential. Potential energy is energy stored up in things. So it's like standing still. So if you're on top of a roller coaster, you have more potential energy than kinetic. If you're on top of a slide, you have more potential than kinetic. If you're on top of a mountain, you have more attention. When you're on top of anything, that's when you have more potential energy. You lose potential energy when you're going down, because that's gaining kinetic energy, because you're in constant motion. You're not standing still no more. Okay? All right. You got that? Do you understand? All right. From next on my list, we have thermal energy. Thermal energy is basically, thermal energy refers to several disjointed thermodynamic qualities, such as internal of a system heat or sensible heat, which are defined as types of energy transfers, or for characteristic energy of a degree of freedom in the thermal system. Okay, thermal energy examples are. I got some examples. The examples are. Sorry, my mic keep coming on. Some examples of thermal energy is heat, the sun, hot chocolate, baking, all that. That's some examples of thermal energy. My next on my list is I have chemical energy. Now, chemical energy is basically chemical energy is basically really easy. Chemical energy is the potential of a chemical substance to undergo a chemical reaction and transform into another substance. So, three examples of chemical energy are batteries, food, gasoline, because that's breaking of chemical bonds. All right, next on my list I have hold up, I'm looking because I'm reading off the paper right now. Next on our list I have electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy is energy derived from electric potential energy or kinetic energy. When used loosely, electrical energy refers to energy that has been converted from electric to potential energy. So some examples of electric energy is batteries, lightning, direct current. Yeah, that's some examples of electric energy. All right. Next on my list, I have light. Yeah, I have light energy. So basically, light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Light consists of photons which are produced when a object atoms heat up. Light travels in waves and is the only form of energy visible into the human eye. Okay? So some examples of light energy are, let's see. Some example: visible light, X-rays, radio waves, microwaves, just all like waves. All right, you feel me? Like you can see with your visible eye. Next on my list, I have. Let's see what's the next. Sound energy. Sound energy is the physical sound energy is a form of energy that can be heard by humans. Sound is a mechanical wave that is such as constant physically elastic. All right. So sound energy examples are a radio, thunder, wind blowing, lightning cracking, playing on a guitar, all that a human ear can hear. Anything a human clapping, like all stuff that a human can hear. Okay, the last one on my list, I think this is the last one, okay? We have nuclear energy, okay? Nuclear energy is basically, it's really easy. Nuclear energy is the energy released during nuclear fission or fusion, especially when used to generate electricity. So nuclear energy is basically, we could say, nuclear energy is a nuclear bomb, a charger port, and a factory. That's all definitions of nuclear energy. It's the sun. Yeah, that's all nuclear energy. And that's it for my project. My name is DeBron Gatlin. And Miss Martin, this is really me, okay? Bye.